Welcome back, class! Today is representing quantities and solving problems. Objectives: represent quantities in real-life situation using algebraic expressions and equations, and solve routine and non-routine problems involving different types of numerical expression and equation. Let us analyze the given problem. Loki went to the mall to buy some foods. As he waited to turn to pay, he was thinking of how much he needed to pay. The cashier told him that the total amount he needed to pay was 3,262 pesos. He chose to buy 2 ice creams for 356 each and 3 pieces of cakes. How much is the price of each cakes? Let's use the variables to represent the price of each foods. Let B be the price of each ice cream, which is 356 pesos. P is the price of each cakes, and T the total cost of each foods. Let us translate the phrases. 2 ice cream for 356 each plus 3 pieces of cakes. 2B plus 3P. 2B is represent of 2 ice creams for 356 each, and 3P is represent of 3 pieces of cakes. 2B plus 3P is the example of algebraic expression. 2B plus 3P equals 3,262. Letter T is represent of the total cost of foods, which is 3,262. 2B plus 3P equals 3,262 is the example of algebraic equation. So our equation is 2B plus 3P equals T. There are 4 basic rules in solving equation. The first one is addition property of equality. If the same quantity is added to both sides of an equation, the resulting of equation is equivalent to the original equation. Example, A minus 5 equals 15. So we will add 5 to both sides. So negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So we will cancel it. And then we will add 15 plus 5. So the value of A is 20. To check if the solution is correct, substitute 20 to the original solution. So 20 minus 5 equals 15. So 15 equals 15. Therefore, the solution is correct. Next, subtraction property of equality. If the same quantity is subtracted from both sides, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original. Example, B plus 9 equals 35. So we will subtract 9 from both sides. So 9 minus 9 equals 0. So we will cancel it. And then, we will subtract 35 minus 9. So 35 minus 9 equals 26. So the value of B is 26. To check the solution, substitute 26 to the original solution. So 26 plus 9 is equals 35. 35 equals to 35. Therefore, the solution is correct. Next, multiplication property of equality. If both sides of an equation is multiplied by the same non-zero quantity, the resulting of equation is equivalent to the original equation. Example,
E divided 8 equals 25.
so multiply both sides by 8.
8 times E is equals to 8E. And 25 times 8 is equals to 200.
Cancel 8 over 8. And the answer is E equals to 200. So the value of E is 200. To check if the solution is correct,
Substitute 200 to letter E.
so E becomes 200. 200 divided by 8 is equals to 25 is equals to 25. Therefore, the solution is correct. Next, divided property of equality. If both sides of an equation are divided by same quantity, the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation. Example, 8j equals 40. So we will divide both sides by 8. 8 divided by 8 is equals to 1. So we will cancel it and divide 40 by 8. So the value of j is 5. To check if the solution is correct, substitute 5 to the original solution. So 8 times 5 is equals to 40. So therefore, the solution is correct.
Now, let's go back to our first problem. Equation 2b plus 3p equals t. Solution 2 times 356 plus 3p equals 3,262. So we will multiply 2 by 356. So the answer is 712. And then we will subtract 712 from both sides. So 712 minus 712 is equals to 0. So we will cancel it and then we will subtract 3,262 to 712. So the answer is 2,550. Next, we will divide 3 from both sides. So 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. So we will cancel it. And then we will divide 2,550 by 3. So the value of P is 850. To check if the solution is correct, substitute 850 to the original solution and then we will multiply it. 2 times 356 plus 3 times 850 is equals to 3,262. 2 times 356 is equal to 712. 3 times 850 is equals to 2,550. Now, add 712 plus 2,550. So, 3,262 equals 3,262. So, therefore, our solution is correct. Each cake costs 850 pesos. Next example, I am 20 years old. My age is 2 less than twice my sister's age. Solution, 2x minus 2 equals 24. So we will add 2 from both sides. So negative 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. 24 plus 2 is equals to 26. So the answer is 2x equals 26. Now, we will divide it by 2. 2x divided by 2, 26 divided by 2. And then, cancel 2.
So 26 divided by 2 equals 13. So the value of x is 13. Next, to check the solution, substitute 13 to the original solution. So 2 times 13 minus 2 equals 24. 2 times 13 is equals to 26. Then minus 2 is equals to 24. 24 equals to 24. Therefore, the solution is correct. Next example, 5y plus 0 equals 125. Solution. So, since 0 has the 0 value, we will rewrite the equation. So, 5y equals 125. So, we will divide 5 from both sides. So, 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. So, we will cancel it and then we will divide 125 by 5. So, the answer is 25. So, the value of y equals to 25. So, next, to check if the solution is correct, we will substitute 25 to the original solution, which is y. So, 5 times 25 plus 0 equals 125. So, 5 times 25 is equals to 125. So, therefore, the solution is correct. Now, let us try learning task 1. Solve and check the following equation and word problems using the 4 basic rules in solving equation.